coming to Fortis and having the opportunity to work in a Sims lab with the support of my teachers and having all the amenities and the supplies that I would find in a hospital, those things really made me feel like, I could really do this.
And then we were able to do simulation labs that kind of got us prepared to be in the actual field and not be scared. Because when a person versus the books, totally different experience, but I feel like the school really helped me feel confident in being a nurse.
I love how Fortis is accepting and open to all different nationalities, cultures. Everybody kind of wants, everybody fits in at Fortis.